everyone, welcome back to the Alchimie Forever YouTube channel. I want to talk to you today about maybe my favorite product of all time, which I know it's not fair to the other products, but this is our new Advanced Retinol Serum with time-release technology. You might have listened to my previous video on retinol where I talked your ear off about what is retinol, who is it for, and why should you use it. I can tell you myself, I've been taking really good care of my skin since I was 10 years old. I turned 40 last year and I started seeing things that I did not like, fine lines, brown spots, and just a change in my skin's texture. The best solution for that is a retinol product, which is why my father and I decided to work on one and have come out with what I think is the best retinol product on the market. So let me tell you a little bit about this specific product. Number one, 0.75% of retinol, pure retinol. This is very important. It's a high concentration of retinol. It is a very active product. As my dad says, it is the big guns for anti-aging. It's not for the faint of heart, so keep that in mind, 0.75% pure retinol. Number two, we use a proprietary time-release technology, which helps to deliver this 0.75% of retinol to your skin over 24 to 48 hours. Over time, very controlled, which helps to minimize side effects such as flaking or redness. So this is why you can have 0.75% without having terrible side effects. It's this amazing time-release technology. Number three, this is more than a retinol serum. We use a cocktail of actives that will help to hydrate the skin, will help to minimize inflammation, will help to minimize redness. These extracts include green tea, red clover, the European blueberry, which is our signature ingredient, vitamin E, jojoba, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, etc., etc. So it's a very complete product, which leads me to how you want to use it. You want to use it in the evening. We're recommending about twice a week. Okay, I didn't say twice a day, twice a week. Once a week if you're very sensitive. You can maybe work it up to 3 times a week after a couple months of use. You use it at night exclusively on dry skin without really using any other product, either before or after. Let me show you the amazing texture. It's one of the things I like best about it. Yes, it is yellow. That's because of the concentration of retinol. We don't use any dyes. It's a very light serum, almost like a gel cream texture, which penetrates readily, doesn't leave any oily residue. It's really good. I wish you could smell it. I haven't figured out how to show you that yet, but retinol kind of stinks, and we worked really hard to have an aroma that is also pleasing, so you don't have to wrinkle your nose at it. So that's a little bit of information about our Advanced Retinol Serum. It is available online. You have the link below. I would love your comments, your feedback, if you've used this, to know, have you experienced any flaking? What are the results that you're seeing? So please do share. And I look forward to seeing you in our next video.